Hey guys, aren't you tired of using books and reams of paper to prop up the screens on your desk? Well, how's this for a cool idea? So, all you guys are going to need for this cool idea is a piece of 16mm wood, something that won't warp under a little bit of weight, and a 3D printer. So guys, this 3D printer over here is primarily used for 3D letter channeling, but due to the fact that this isn't so thick, it can still be printed on this printer. And whilst this prints, we can go and start cutting the wood. As you can see, I'm using the CO2 Laser Cutting Machine just because my woodworking skills are a bit shoddy and I need some straight lines for this. Obviously, you can choose whatever length you desire, but what's most important is the width inside your bracket here needs to be 1 mm less, just so it's a nice snug fit for your bracket. So let's get cutting. And then you just spray paint it whatever color you desire. So you can choose to spray paint your brackets whatever color you want. Or you don't have to do that, you can just choose the color that you started printing your bracket with. So green, blue, clear, pink, whatever color you desire. There you go guys, the project is now done. As you can see, it works perfectly. The screen heights are really nice height. You don't lose any desk space and you can put your pens, calculators, punches, notes, whatever you want underneath it. And once again, you don't lose any desk space and the screens are really nice height. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this cool idea and we'll catch you in the next one.